Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jan Syakir Hafiz. I'm student of Awildan Islamic School 21 Banda Aceh. I felt very happy after participating the Tahfiz camp activity at my school because I think the activity was very useful, where I could spend the night at school while studying the Quran together with friends, listening to religious studies, and we also did Qiyamul Lail. I hope that kind of activity can be carried out regularly. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I will now explain my feelings after Ramadan. I feel so happy, but I can't solar because I'm in my period. And then this is my first time that I sleep with all my friends and people. And then I wake up at 3 a.m. with other people and friends at the first time. Even though I can't sleep because it's so noisy at midnight.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tengku Amirat Takia. I come from class 7A2. After Tahfiz camp, I feel so happy because I can sleep with my friend. I got new lessons. I exercise with my friend. Is it first I wake up at 3 a.m. I pray tahajud and I sleep with my friend. Okay, it's that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Faiha.
How do you feel after joining Rumah Tahfiz?
I feel good because bisa begadang, nganti kamar mandi.
My name is Naila.
How do you feel after joining Rumah Tahfiz?
Good, because the first time sleep with friend, bangun tengah malam, tahajud bersama, zikir, tadarus.